Good day, everyone. Yesterday, Alaska Airlines, the fifth largest airline in North America, announced that they will be starting direct service to Nassau, Bahamas from not one, but two US cities, Seattle, Washington, and Los Angeles, California. This will literally be the first time that Alaska sets foot in the Bahamas, and this announcement comes less than a month after Jetblue announced direct LAX service to Nassau that's set to start in November, making Jetblue the first airline in decades to connect the Bahamas to the west coast of the United States. Alaska will be offering these routes on a seasonal basis, and both routes will start on December 15th, continuing into April 2024. Now, the reason why I felt that this was important to make its own video is because Alaska Airlines holds a special place in my heart because I've always liked their brand, I've always liked their livery, and they are the one US airline that I always wanted to see end up in Nassau. Not to mention, for me as a plane spotter, they're basically starting a route to Boeing City. And for those who don't know, Seattle is the manufacturing headquarters of Boeing, where they make aircraft from the 737 MAX all the way up to the 777X. So this route is a definite +1 for me. It's also worth noting that when this route starts, Nassau to Seattle will be Alaska's longest route. What do you think about these new routes? Full disclosure, by the way, Alaska actually announced 4 new routes, but seeing that I live in the Bahamas, I'm only concerned about 2 of them. What do you think about these new routes? Because to me, it's amazing that in the next few months, Nassau will be reconnected with the west coast of the United States. To my fellow Bahamians, are any of y'all interested in flying on Alaska? Because I can assure you, if Alaska does not run my pockets dry, I will definitely be on the Seattle run. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.